What if I fail? What if people laugh at me? What if I make the wrong decision? What if it doesn't work out? Have you noticed how many dreams have been buried by two simple words? What if? Not because people lack talent, not because they lacked opportunity, but because they allowed fear to become louder than their purpose. The truth is, every meaningful achievement in life begins when your why becomes more important than your what ifs. Today, let's talk about why purpose is the antidote to fear and how a strong reason can help you move forward even when uncertainty never disappears. Most people think they are being practical when they ask what, but often they are just feeling fear. Think about it. Fear rarely asks positive questions. It doesn't ask, what if this changes my life? What if I succeed? What if this is exactly the opportunity I have been waiting for? Instead, fear focuses on worst case scenario, creates movies in your mind about things that haven't happened and may never happen. And before long, you're exhausted from fighting battles that only exist in your imagination. Many people spend years preparing for problems that never arrive. They remain stuck, waiting for certainty. But certainty is a promise life never makes. If you wait until all doubt disappears, you will be waiting forever. Now, let's talk about why. Your why is your reason. It's deeper purpose behind your action. It's what gets you out of bed when motivation is gone. A person trying to lose weight because they should exercise will often quit. But someone who wants to stay healthy for their children has a stronger reason. A student studying only for grades may lose interest. But a student studying because they dream of creating a better future has a powerful why. When your reason is emotional and meaningful, your ability to endure discomfort increases dramatically because suddenly you're not just working for a result, you're working for something that matters. And people can tolerate incredible difficulty when they know why they are doing it. One of the biggest misconceptions is that successful people are fearless. They are not. Entrepreneurs feel fear, athletes feel fear, artists feel fear, leaders feel fear. Everyone feels fear. The difference is not the absence of fear, the difference is what they choose to listen to. Fear says, stay where it's comfortable. Purpose says, there is something more important than comfort. Fear says, what if you fail? Purpose says, what if you never discover what you are capable of? Fear wants safety, purpose wants growth, and growth requires stepping into uncertainty. The quality of your life is often determined by the quality of your question. Many people ask questions that trap them. What if I fail? What if I embarrass myself? What if people judge me? But imagine replacing those questions. What if I learn something valuable? What if this experience makes me stronger? What if this challenge becomes the turning point of my life? The circumstances haven't changed. Only the question has changed. And when the question changes, your focus changes. What you focus on grows. If you focus on danger, you will find reasons to stop. If you focus on possibility, you will find reasons to move forward. Many people believe failure is the greatest truth. It is not. Failure is temporary, failure teaches, failure develops resilience. The greater risk is regret. Imagine looking back 10 years from now and realizing you never started the business, never wrote the book, never pursued the dream, never had the difficult conversation, never took the chance. Not because you couldn't, but because your what ifs were louder than your why. The pain of failure lasts a moment. The pain of wondering what could have been can last a lifetime. So the next time fear start asking its endless questions, don't waste your energy trying to eliminate every doubt. Instead, strengthen your why. Remember why you started. Remember what matters. Remember who you can become if you keep moving forward. Because courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is deciding that something else is more important. And when your why becomes bigger than your what if, fear loses its power. Action becomes possible, growth becomes inevitable, and the life you want moves from imagination into reality. Make your why louder than your fear, because the future belongs to those who act despite uncertainty.